Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use HubSpot. First, understand that HubSpot is a powerful, all-in-one platform designed to help your business grow. It seamlessly integrates marketing, sales, and customer service tools into one cohesive system. You can attract new leads, engage with prospects, and delight your existing customers, all from a single dashboard. This tutorial will guide you through its core functionalities, ensuring you can leverage its full potential for your business success. Let's dive into the Customer Relationship Management, or CRM, which is the heart of HubSpot. Here, you can efficiently manage all your customer interactions. Begin by creating new contact and company records to centralize your lead information. You can then log every call, email, and meeting directly within these records, ensuring a complete communication history. Utilize tasks and deals to meticulously organize your sales pipeline, helping you stay on top of every follow-up and opportunity. HubSpot offers robust tools for both marketing and sales teams. For marketing, you can easily create compelling email campaigns, design high-converting landing pages, and manage your blog content. Automate your lead nurturing process with powerful workflows, ensuring prospects receive timely and relevant information. Sales professionals can leverage features like meeting scheduling, custom quotes, and comprehensive deal tracking to streamline their entire sales cycle, boosting efficiency and closing more deals. Finally, HubSpot empowers you to deliver exceptional customer service and gain valuable insights. Implement ticketing and live chat features to provide prompt support to your customers. You can also build a comprehensive knowledge base, allowing customers to find answers independently. Beyond service, generate custom reports to monitor key performance indicators across all your departments. Utilize intuitive dashboards to visualize your data clearly, enabling you to make informed, strategic business decisions with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.